Hello, guys. It's Mrs.Z. Today is lesson 8, exit ticket, grade 5, mission 5, lesson 8. Okay. Sketch a rectangular prism that has volume of 36 cubic centimeters. So we know what volume is. Label dimension of each side on the prism. Fill in the blank that follows. Okay, so the height, the length, the width, and the volume. That's what we need. So there are different possibilities to do so. So let's think about the volume is length times width times height. So then now we know the volume is 36, but we don't know what value of length could be, the width could be, and the height could be. Okay, so that's depend on what three numbers we multiply and get 36. So we can explore this by thinking, okay, we know the two factors. 6 times 6 is 36, correct? So if I do 6 times 6, that the one over here, it has to be just 1, because if I'm going to multiply, that will be 6 times 6 is 36. So 36, I need to have a 3 factors. So times 1 give me 36. That's the first way, by knowing one of them. Another way, you could think also, if you know the different way to multiply, it's a endless possibilities, guys, here. Like if you know that 36 is made of 4 times 9, that's 4 times 9 is 36 multiplication fact, so then could be that one. If you know that 12 plus 12 plus 12 makes 36. So there is another way to think that 36 is 3 times 12, and then again times 1. So one factor always has to be 1. So now that's when that is explored, we can think about decomposing one factor. All right. So if I decompose this to 3 times 4. Let's see, if I do this 3 times 4, so I will still have this 3 and this 1 left there. But now I'm going to take and use the property of so associative property. So now I'm going to do 4 times 1, then my another solution could be 3 times 3 times 4. And that is also possibility of 36 is also same 3 times 3 times 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. You can decompose now this one of these factors. Like, what if I decompose this 4 into 2 times 2? So then I will have here times 3 times 3. So now I'm going to use a property of associate. I'm going to do associate these two, and I will make them to be, okay, so 3 times 2 is 6 times 2. So there is another way. 3 times 6 times 2 will 36. So there is more, guys. It's just the idea how you could think of it. So now they want us to draw the if that is prism. All right. kind of extra, so it's okay. So the length, and the idea was what could length be? The length was unknown, width was unknown, and the height was unknown. So these are the possibilities. So I could use any of these to be that the value. Okay, so my husband is loud. Sorry if you can hear that as well. Here's I could do that 3 height, or 3 by 6 by 2, 4 by 9 by 1. So let's do 3 by 6 by 2. So the height could be 3. So height could be 3 centimeters. The width, I could use the length to be 6 centimeters, and I could use the width to be 2 centimeters. So length is 6 centimeters, width is 2 centimeters, and the volume is 36 cubic centimeters. So this is, I appreciate you listening, and have a great day. It was Mrs. Z.